You ain't getting that with that blade. What's the other side? Half? Where's another 1/2 inch? Oh my God, we got. Oof. 1/2 inch is somewhere.
Yeah. Here's the 9/16 that we
13, that'll work.
It probably swelled up.
Where is the ratchet? The ratchet. All right. Meow. All right. Woo! There it is. Awesome. Let's see if the 725's got it. Oh yeah.
Backwards.
What?
Run it forward and then run it back again.
She on there. The center pin bolt rusted away. That's crazy.
I made a can, it ain't no good. Fucking Trudeau. As long as it's from oil burner. Sounds like the Yankee version of Damn. Oh, we got a headlight on. The headlight's pretty fucking good. You don't have to tell Dan.
Well, when the spindle doesn't come off, you got to use the liquid wrench. Can't be stuck if it's liquid.
Oh, no.
Got the new ball joint, upper control arm. That ain't bad. Now we just gotta do the other side. Yeah, that's a pretty good offset too.
Yeah, you're off that thing.
Little baby snake. It's just like a garden snake, rat snake.
I'll go take him outside.
No, go away from the shop. Not bad. 3-inch drop spindles, new control arms, ball joints, flip kit. Most of the brakes are done. Got one more line to fix. This thing's coming along. So I'm gonna try to get the cab and front clip painted this week, and then this weekend we're gonna try to stab the engine and trans in it. So that's gonna be the next video, is me painting the cab and trying to get this thing done. I think 3 or 4 more weekends we might have this thing all wrapped up, or at least wrapped up enough for Chris to take back to his house and finish up with all the small stuff.